This is a good time to protect your windscreen against bad weather. And what I've got here is the Rain-X 2-in-1 glass cleaner. So basically it will clean the glass to improve visibility and repels the rain by causing the water to bead up and roll away. Also it prevents sleet and snow settling on the glass. Right, so first clean off any dirt on the vehicle glass, let it to dry. Now spray Rain-X directly onto the glass. And wipe in a circular or up and down motion with a microfiber cloth or any dry paper towel. Do not use too much, otherwise it will take more time wiping it and you may see dry streaks on the glass. Let it to dry, and if you see any haze, buff it off with a moist towel. The windscreen looks so much clearer than before. From a windscreen that has no Rain-X to the one that has, you can see the water is beading up and rolling off quite quickly. Make sure to clean all the vehicle's glass too. I've also cleaned the glass from the inside. Now once you use your wipers, you may see some streaks. This is basically the Rain-X protective coating which vanishes away. Now this rain repellent normally lasts a few months depending on how bad the weather conditions are. So when it rains, this is how the beads are formed that can easily be wiped away. This is the same technology used on aircrafts and many other vehicles too. And while this is a glass cleaner too, why not give every glass a clean? Whether it's your car media screen, your reverse parking camera lens, sunglasses, or even your phone. From the naked eye, I've personally seen a huge difference using this 2-in-1 formula. Gives out a nice clear visibility and not to be worried when it rains. Now Rain-X is not the only one on the market for glass cleaners and rain repellents. There are many other brands that you might find cheaper but does the same job. Always best to search online for customer reviews in what best suits your vehicle. Take care guys, peace.